Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am your Rahul. So many people cracked the MCQs in MERN, Django, and Spring Boot. The questions that I shared. So happy to hear like that. So in this video, I'm sharing MERN stack hands-on questions. So when I discuss with some people, those who had given digital last time, they mentioned like. In the full stack application there will be some add-on with the prerequisite like there will be redux with the react like that they mentioned. Remaining everything will be fine. So in this one I created two problems. In one there is two skeleton codes, like one normal full stack application, second one with the redux full stack application. So like that, two problems are there, and total in each problem there will be two sets. So one will be movie rating, another one will be some stock portfolio application. So as you checked given any prerequisite or kickoff challenges in Fresco Play, you can you might be so like you can use the commands like sh install.sh, run.sh, like that, bash commands. So in our local systems, uh, like when we use VS Code, these commands, this install.sh, test.sh might not work. So at that moment, what we can do is we have to go to each directory, and we have to run the code with the specific commands, then only it will work. So I will just mention how it will be. So in our uh, each full stack application, when we get into that, we will get two folders like React.js and Node.js and the remaining stuffs. So when you want to go to React.js folder, so let's take the name React.js. At that time, what you have to do is you have to first change the directory. These are the comments you have to give. So once you give this command cd react.js change directory, then it will change to react.js. Once it done, you have to go for npm run, npm start or npm test, because I already installed all the uh, required modules and uh, everything in the respective problems, both in both in skeleton code and the resolved code. So each set have total four code, like two skeleton codes and two solution code. So these are the two uh, zip files that I am sharing. So uh, npm run, that actually this one is not necessary. What we have to do is we have to go for test only, because in the main exam they will only check how many test cases we clear, not any other things like whether the application build correctly or not, like that they won't even check. They will only count how many test cases we cleared. So always think uh, that we have to go for the test cases only. Okay, so in the resolved one I clearly mentioned what all things I did and all. So you can go through that. If you have any doubt or query regarding these, just ping me, I will help. And when you get the react.js folder, next what you can do is uh, just close the current terminal. Okay, or just open the new terminal from the VS Code then for Node.js. Okay, so same like that, you have to change the directory, then npm test. So these are the main things uh, you need to know when you um, do the code. Okay, so if you get any error like module issue or something, just ping me. I will help you. It won't happen because I reset to 2 to 3 times. Every requirements, everything installed perfectly now. So there is nothing to do with that. And another thing, for the hands-on exam, as per the previous cycles and all, it will be a full stack application, and there will be no security part in the Node.js or React. So don't need to no need to go for JWT and security for Monster or Meet. Monster and Meet. Okay, so that's it. If you have any query or any issue, just ping me. I will help. So that's it. See you in next video. Till that, happy coding.